Halloween, y'all. Isn't this cute? Was that out in the garage, Eddie?
Yes.
It's so cute. He'd be so cute with a little plant coming out of him, wouldn't he? All right. You want to tell them what we're doing next?
We're making creamy pumpkin fudge.
Yes. Doesn't that sound delicious? All right, now we got a piece of parchment paper that we have put in a 13 by 9 by 2 pan. And we're going to spray that so it won't stick to the paper. It shouldn't without spraying, but we're going to be safe. All right, so this is one of those wonderful recipes that's in Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. And
by the way, they make great Christmas gifts.
They do.
And it's October, so go ahead and order.
$16.99.
Yes.
You know, for a year subscription. I mean, you can't buy nothing for that price, can you? All right, sissy, we're going to melt our butter. And we've got white sugar, brown sugar, evaporated milk, nuts, white chocolate, and vanilla. But this goes in last. So when our butter melts some, I'm going to put in our 2 sugars, our evaporated milk, our pumpkin pie spice, our cinnamon, and our nutmeg, and a 1/2 cup of pumpkin.
This should be interesting.
Yeah. And it's going to be good and creamy because we're cooking it, you know, like an old-timey fudge. All right, so enough is melted. Sissy, I'm going to pass those on to you. I'm going to add my sugars. And we're going to cook this, I think, to like 240. Is that right?
What if you don't have a candy thermometer?
You would just have to use the old-timey way of...
boil in the water?
Uh-huh.
Soft boil?
Well, no, you just... Get you a cup of water. Doesn't have to be hot.
And drop the dab in there?
Uh-huh. Drip in there. And if it forms a soft ball, then it's ready. But that really is a lot of guessing to me.
My mother had it down pat.
Did she?
Mm-hmm.
I had to do that before I had a candy thermometer.
I had another question. Is it condensed? I mean, evaporated milk you can whip to make cream?
No.
No.
No. This kind of milk is so good in like macaroni and cheese and candies.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to get this mixed up real good. Let that butter finish melting and let the sugars melt. And then I'll stick in the thermometer.
There it is.
Yes, love these.
Those are great.
You have to have these for the mayonnaise
I put
jar.
those in the Christmas stockings.
Yes, yes. The other day I had some ladies over here, and here, let's keep this here. I might need that. And I can't remember what we're doing, but they said, we just love your spatulas. I said, oh, you do? Okay. They love those half ones, so I went in here and got one of my half ones out and gave it to them. And Eddie said, Paula, you gave every one of them away. So he had to grab some more the next time we went to the store, right, Eddie? Yeah. All right, everything is melted, and the pumpkin is incorporated. This is going to be a pretty color fudge since we're using white.
That's like caramel.
It's going to be so good. So we're going to cook this over medium heat. And 240, sis just reminded me that that's a hard ball, not a soft ball. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this on here so we can keep a minute on it. Y'all, I just found out that the candy thermometer that I was using to cook this fudge with was not working. It wouldn't go past 220. So I pulled out another thermometer, and I mean, it was right on time because it was at 240. So,
and I just did our grandmother's and mother's trick, and guess what? In cold water, there it is.
That's a hard ball right there.
That's your hard ball.
I added the white chocolate, the nuts, and Now I'm fixing to add the vanilla, and then we're going to pour it up in our pan. Maybe a teaspoon. Maybe not. Maybe more. Whoa.
Don't drop it. That's like gold.
240. Yeah, 240 is really high to me. All right, so we got to stir this until the chocolate morsels melt, sissy.
Okay.
I mean, it's some hard stuff.
That means it's going to be good.
I would almost think we could cut down the temperature a little bit because your arm's going to get real tired. Okay, baby cakes, is that good enough?
I can't decide if it's the nuts that are looking white
It's
or
the nuts probably and little pieces of the white chocolate morsels.
Okay.
Oh, I just think this is going to be something that y'all just
Why can't
love.
we put this on a cake?
Nothing would stop you.
And that would make a good icing.
It would make a fabulous icing.
Looks yummy.
I know it.
On that apple cake?
Yes.
Pumpkin
You know,
apple.
it's cooking. It's, oh, there's your bite. I left you a bite. Excuse me.
Doesn't really taste pumpkin.
I don't taste too much pumpkin, but sure does make it creamy. All right, so in the pan we go. Oh, would you hold my paper, sis? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. Isn't that pretty, pretty, pretty? You know what? I'm gonna just put a little water right there. Help me kind of swirl it. Well, help me just kind of swirl it a little bit. Beautiful. Y'all want to keep this in your recipe file because it's very good. I think y'all will love it. We'll be back in a little while after it chills, and we'll taste it. We'll taste it.
All right.
Sissy, how about some fudge?
Ooh, yummy.
I think it's probably firm because it cooked.
Yeah. It's firm.
All right, let's see if it lifts out. Perfect. Don't even have to wash that pan, which is even better. So I just want to thank somebody out there so very much.
Yes.
They sent me, I guess I was talking about maybe I couldn't find my mama's candy at the moment. I don't remember. But the sweetest lady sent me this. It is identical to my mother's.
Still in the box.
And yes, still in the box. And look, y'all, my mama's handle was blue. Still got all the papers. And I'm so sorry. I was kind of working alone when this came into the picture. So I hope that I thanked you. And I hope you're still with us. Because I want you to know how very, very thoughtful and how much I appreciated it, dear. Works like a champ. I started out using a newer one and realized it wasn't moving. And so I pulled this one out and it worked perfect, just like it was. Well, they just made stuff back then better.
Might be old, but
so reliable.
Old, but show enough good.
It's wonderful, and I thank you so much.
We might need to take this down to the candy man.
We're going to keep this here for us and our little children.
You're talking about us? It's warm.
Teresa.
This is delicious.
You can taste the pumpkin in it now.
That is yummy.
Come grab you a piece. Eddie, would you have a piece? You can really taste the pumpkin now.
You know, I like it better than chocolate.
You do?
Mm. I think that's a home run for Halloween.
It is.
Thanksgiving dessert.
Okay, 1.5 pieces. That's all I get. Y'all try it. I think you'll love it.
Oh, it's yummy. Easy too.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
It is like eating a piece of pumpkin pie.
It is. Mm-hmm.
Love, love.
It's creamy.
Paula Deen's magazine.
What year? Who knows?
It would have been around holiday.
Around holiday?
Halloween. Mm-hmm. There'll be a link on the video. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good.
Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.